taking off on the big pursuit. Traffic's light, south on Allendale.
April 13th, 2026, Dayton, Ohio. An officer just spotted a vehicle linked to an active homicide investigation. This is not a routine traffic stop for a minor violation. We are dealing with a suspect who is likely armed and has everything to lose.
East on Emory Park, heading towards Frogview. Coming up to Keowee, got a red light, turning southbound on Keowee. Yeah, south on Keowee. Traffic's still light, speed's 50, coming up to Stanley. Through Stanley, heading up towards Leo.
The officer is calling every street for a reason. He is not just racing. He is guiding his team to box the suspect in. In a high-speed hunt, information is more lethal than speed.
Traffic's moderate through Hill Road, still eastbound on Leo. It's occupied twice with a female in the front seat. Boys can be the driver. Still eastbound.
A passenger in the car changes the math for the police. They now have to weigh a murder arrest against a potential innocent life. This suspect is gambling with someone else's safety just to save his own skin.
60. Blue red light Detroit, heading eastbound. There's over a car too. You want to call it? Go ahead. disregard damage, been attempted hit.
Keep your hands up.
We're getting the driver out now. Taking her in.
Keep your hands too up. Get out.
Ow! Ow! You just broke my arm. You just broke my arm. Oh, it's dislocated. Oh my God, my arm's broke. My arm's broke. My arm is broke. Oh, my elbow. My elbow. My elbow just broke. My elbow just broke. Oh, my elbow broke. My elbow broke. Oh, my elbow, right there. Oh, my God.
All right, you're fine. We'll get you medic.
Can you please grab my money? Oh, my elbow. Oh, my God. You broke my elbow.
Your elbow broke? All right. We'll get you a medic. Yeah.
Marty, unlock your door.
That was self-defense, man. She didn't do nothing, y'all.
April 13th started as a homicide investigation and ended with a recorded confession. Legally, the suspect did himself no favors. By shouting self-defense, he linked himself to the crime scene before he even saw a judge. Tactically, the Dayton officers played it perfectly. By taking him to the hospital, they protected the department from any future claims of police brutality. It is a stark reminder that in a high-pressure situation, your own words can be your worst enemy. Do you think his self-defense claim will hold up in court? Or did he just talk his way into a life sentence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you appreciate these deep dives into the psychology of body cam footage, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw to support our work. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.